Restoration. That's what makes us different. When Rebecca, my wife, and I founded the Harp Gallery in 1985, we saw antiques others might overlook. Pieces built from solid hardwood, crafted by skilled hands and designed to last generations. But time takes its toll. Most antique dealers wipe off a little dust and sell pieces as they find them. But we believed they deserved a second look. Because true restoration isn't just about improving appearances, it's about telling a story while preserving integrity and its rightful place in history. So we built a team, master craftsmen dedicated to restoring each piece the right way, so it will endure for generations to come.
And today, it's still the foundation of everything we do. Every piece at Harp Gallery is professionally restored to be museum quality, structurally sound, and move-in ready. Our work is trusted by collectors, featured in museums all around the world, and has been selected for HBO productions and numerous feature films. And now, if someone already owns a meaningful piece, we restore those too, so their history can continue, because this is about more than antiques. It's about who we were and where we're going.
For over 40 years, this has been our responsibility to honor the artists and craftsmanship of the past
And preserve it for the future.